Hi, I am Sir Guru. My project is Multimodal Framework for Early Detection of Dementia. Now you will see the agenda. Its introduction, statement of the problem, scope of project methodology, output, result, test case, conclusion, future of the project references. And the introduction. Dementia is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that affects memory, thinking, and daily activities. This project proposes a multimodal AI framework that combines brain MRI analysis with clinical and speech data. A statement of the problem. These are the challenges. Early symptoms of dementia are subtle and often overlooked. Traditional diagnosis depends on isolated clinical tests. Single model AI models lack accuracy and robustness. Limited support for remote and continuous monitoring. Lack of explainability reduces the clinical trust in AI systems. Objectives enable early detections of dementia using AI. Combine MRI, clinical, and speech data for improving as a provide the explainable prediction for clinical understanding and support remote non-real-time cognitive monitoring web platform. And scope of the project scope is develop a web-based AI system for early dementia detection. A target audience neurologists and healthcare professionals, hospitals and diagnostic centers. Deliverable trained multimodal AI model for dementia detection. Flask-based web application with SQL Lite 3. Explainability visualization using GradCam. Uh, this is inclusion. We will include the brain MRI images for the future extraction, clinical data related to the cognitive health, speech-based cognitive assessment features, periodic users uploaded data, explainable AI visualization for predictions and exclusions, real-time or continuous monitoring systems, automated medical diagnosis or treatment decisions, wearable or IoT device integrations, generative or enhanced biomedical data, energy for critical care applications, and data publicly available and benchmark MRI datasets, structured clinical attributes related to dementia, data stored securely using SQL3 line database, used strictly for academic and research purpose. Limitations are model performance depends on the quality of MRI and clinical data. These are the data we will collect the data, brain MRI images, clinical data, and speech samples for the data sets and user inputs. Data pre-processing MRI images and resized and normalized. Clinical and speech data are cleaned and formatted. Feature extraction MRI feature extracted using Inception V3. Speech and Speech and clinical features combined with the image features. Classifications are multimodal features classification using XGBoost, explainability and web deployment. GradCam used for explainable predictions. Flask-based web application enables the remote monitoring and assessments. This is the architecture diagram. Use case diagram. Dementia. So users okay. Class diagrams. Sequence diagram. Algorithm we use Inception V3, XGBoost, and GradCam. Hardware and software services. Implementation. We implemented Python as the core programming languages. MRI image processing and feature extraction are handled using deep learning libraries. XGBoost is used to classify the dementia stage based on multimodal features. GradCam generation explainable visual outputs for MRI prediction. This is the code. This is for the training. We trained using a cleaning a CSV file splitting. So the XGBoost model we saved. These are our code. This is our output. After browsing our website, the following page will be shown first. We want to first register and log in. We will play game memory test voice test prediction. This was the memory game. And also number sequence test. which each one you have a separate grade. This is a pronunciation test. Finally, you want to upload the MRI, and it will predict it where the MRI was there. This is the test cases. The results: accuracy 96%, precision 96%, and recall 95%. Conclusions: the use of a GradCam chronology provides a transparent insights into model prediction, helping clinicians understanding and trust AI precision. Future of these are future apps we are going to